In this video, I'll show you how to create a Meta Business account. First, open your web browser on your desktop and go to Meta Business Manager. You'll need a personal Facebook account to get started. Next, click Create an Account. A setup window will appear asking for your business information. After that, enter your business name, and your business email address. Once you've filled in the details, click Submit. Now, check your email inbox for a verification email from Meta. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your business email address. Next, return to Meta Business Manager and sign in if prompted. After that, enter additional business details such as your business address, phone number, and website if applicable. Now, click Business Settings to begin setting up your business assets. Next, add your Facebook page by clicking Accounts, then Pages, and selecting Add. You can add an existing page or create a new one. After that, connect your Instagram account by clicking Accounts, then Instagram Accounts, and following the sign-in process. Now, if you plan to run ads, click Add Accounts and select Add to create or connect an ad account. Next, review all your business information and settings to make sure everything is correct. Finally, save your changes. Your Meta Business account is now ready to manage pages, advertising, and other business assets from one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Meta Business account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.